This is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do a face swap with AI. Now, before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So, what you want to do is you want to go to swapeface.org and you want to download it for Windows or Mac, depending on which platform you have. Now, once you have downloaded it, you want to open it up and you have this feature video face swap. So basically here you want to upload an original video, so you can upload it, let's say when you were hiking or whatever, and make sure that your face is visible, that you potentially don't have a hat or glasses. And then you want to choose your model that you want to be face swapped with. From there, once you have everything in there, you want to click on upload so that everything is uploaded, and then you want to click on start. Now make sure that it's in fast mode. Select pro mode. In this case, it's going to prompt you to tell that you need an advanced GPU RTX 30 plus, or the speed will be really slow. So if you don't have a good graphic card, just use the fast mode. It's good enough. And once the video is finished, you will be able to download it from this screen, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.